look at Travnet Tech CRM's interface. For this, you need to click on the interface section on the blue menu bar at the top of your screen. You will see 4 subsections: Search History, Booking List, GDS Interface, and Smart Load. Now we will go through each of them in this video. The first one is Search History. All the information collected from the search is organized and modified here so agents can easily understand. Click on the Search History subsection of the interface and it will bring you to the Search tab, which contains an organized list of every item that you and your company searched. Above the list, you will see 4 sections: Flight, Stays, Transfers, and Attractions. Clicking on them will show you the search history of that category. Above that is the filter, where you can specify the item you are searching for. Next to that, on the right side, you will see 5 icons, which you can click to download the PDF, Excel, and CSV files of the history, print them out, and finally refresh the list. Now coming down to the list, you will notice a reference number for each search item. When you search for an item, it is given a reference number, and based on the item you have searched for, the reference number will start with FLT for flights, HTL for hotels, TFL for transfers, and ACT for attractions. You can see the details of each search when you click on the details icon under the action column. The details page has a button to go back to the search history page and a search again button to search for the item again. Next in the interface section is the booking list subsection. Like the search history, you will notice an organized list of items that have been booked under your company. Here you will notice the filter button on top of the booking list, the button to download PDF, Excel, and CSV file of the list, and the refresh button. Now coming down to the booking list, you will notice a basket ID for each of the booked items. Every item that has been booked by your company is listed here with a designated basket ID. Next to each of the basket ID, there is an arrow icon. When you click on it, you will be taken to the TSC portal where you will need to log in to check the details of the item. You can also check the details of the booking by clicking on the arrow under the action column. The details page will vary based on the booking status, the type of item booked, and whether a folder is created or not. Now let's check the details of a flight booking. In the first portion of this page, you will see the basic details of the booking and a button to go back to the booking list page. Next to that, you will see some buttons. We will now discuss them in depth from top to bottom. For flight bookings that are not part of a folder, the first button will show Add Folder, and you can click on it to create a folder. You will also notice a status button to change the status of the booking and the PNR button to set the PNR of the flight bookings. For flight bookings that are already part of a folder, the first button will show the folder ID, and clicking on it will take you to the folder details page. If you want to change the status, set the PNR, issue tickets, cancel, or any other functions, just go to the folder page. For flight bookings that are confirmed yet not part of a folder, you will also notice a TKT issue button for issuing tickets. For flight bookings that are ticketed yet not part of a folder, you will also notice an e-ticket button to print the flight tickets, a reissue button for reissuing tickets, and a refund button to issue a refund of the ticket. On every flight booking details page, the last button will be the Fare Rules button, which will open the PDF file containing the fare rules. The second portion of details page shows other information like the client's contact information, passenger information, itinerary item details, fare rules, baggage details, and CRS config, etc. depending on the item the client has booked. You can check each of the details by clicking on those tabs. The last subsection of the interface section is Smart Load. When you need to search for a specific flight detail that has been ticketed, you can easily search for it with the flight's PNR in the Smart Load. When you click on the subsection, it will take you to a page with this box. To search for the flight details, you have to select the GDS source, input the PNR code of the flight, select your company code for Terminal PCC, and click on the Submit button. It will take you to the flight details page like the one from Booking List.